Nest Wealth Robo-advisor honest review. Watch before using. Nest Wealth is a Canadian robo-advisor that stands out for its flat fee pricing model, unlike most competitors that charge a percentage of assets under management funded in 2014. It offers automated investment management at low cost and also personalized portfolios and medium balance retirement. It's designed for investors who want a hand-off approach but with more predictable fee. Now here are the key features about this website. It comes with a flat fee model. Instead of percentage based fee, you pay $20 per month and up to 75,000 per dollar, and also you pay $40 per month to 75k to $150k per month, and also $80 per month above 150k. And it also comes with no medium balance. You can sign up with any amount, but account under 20,000 remains in cash. And also it comes with a diverse account option and also personalized CTS portfolio built based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It also comes with automated rebalancing, keep your portfolio aligned with your market condition, and that's it. And under the probes of this website, this is very cost effective for large portfolio and also transparent and predictable fee. It comes with a wide range of account size, and the downside for this is flat fee can be expensive for small investors and also low tax loss harvesting. And here's the final conclusion. Nest Wealth is deal for high net worth and investor who want low cost automated investment solution without percentage based fee. However, if you have a small portfolio, the flat fee might eat into your return and not making other robo-advisor better choice.